get it now. These eyes. Doo-doo. Nee, 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 nee. Well, what the heck? Wee, what?
You're the tragedy, but the funny thing is, I don't do that dance. Hey, I don't do that.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Kat, and today we are diving into a new palette to me. This is the Kylie Jenner. I thought it was called the Holiday Palette, but all I can see is pressed powder palette. I swear, I know she came out with a couple of them for the holiday. Here's the packaging though. Hello. Here is the palette itself. So I put this eyeshadow on about 6 hours ago, and I did throw up. Not because of the palette. And what was this, by the way? Nee, 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 nee. Okay, I'm pregnant. If you're new to my channel, hello. So I haven't been sick for a while, but for some reasons, I don't know why, Saturday afternoons I just have a little vomit ski and then I'm good. So considering that I was violently ill earlier, my foundation certainly didn't make it through, but that's okay. These eyes though. These eyes. I've only played with the palette once. This was my first time today, but I have swatched a couple of shades. Oh, I should have used this one today. This is called Jack Frost. Sorry, I don't know what's going on with my lighting, but it's super bright. Oh, Love Bug. I haven't even swatched you. It's like a nice coppery shade. Can't even see really because I don't know how to work my camera. Doo-doo. So far, I really like it. I don't know Kyle, so I'm like talking to you while I'm looking in the mirror. Oh, but I've certainly, yeah, my foundation. Oh no, it's fine. We don't judge each other on this channel. Unless you're a palette, then I'll judge you. That's what we do. What? I've only used a couple of palettes from Kylie Jenner. Actually, I think one, and that was years ago. So I don't know really the formula that well. It didn't blend amazingly, but it wasn't terrible by any means, so I didn't mind it. Let's get into the tutorial, and we'll have a little wrap-up skis, and woo! I almost dropped that. I'm not in the circus as much as I'd like to be. Let's get into the tutorial. Let's go in with a big fluffy brush with Rose. We're just going to take that all over the lid, up to the brown. Same brush, we're going to go into Payback's a Biatch. Let's keep that in the crease and outer V. Whoa. No trouble with the pigment on that guy. Taking a smaller brush, we're going to go into Almond. Is it just me, or these names very inconsistent? Candy Heart, Bikini Mama, Pray for Snow. Okay. Now we're just going to take the Almond shade and go all over the lid and the upper. We're going to go up into the crease a bit here. I'm surprised. It has a bit of a purple tone. I thought it was going to be more brown, but that's okay. I'm not mad. Next, we're going to go into the black called Obsidian. Same brush. We're going to take that on the outer V here. I don't want to pack it on too much, but I am going to come up into the crease here. Just a wee bit. So that's what we're looking like so far. I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush. It doesn't look like it's clean, but it is. And I'm just gonna blend those two together here. Next, we're gonna go into Bikini Mama. Now, I had a little bit of trouble before with using it dry, but let's just see. So we're gonna keep this on the inner corner, blending it towards the outer. Yeah, it's not bad, but if you want that shimmer, look at the difference between the two. We want to get that wet. So I'm just going to pack that shadow on my brush using my MAC Fix Plus. Remember, put the shadow on your brush before you get it wet. So wreck your shadows, mate. There we go. Next, I'm just taking my black liquid liner and I'm just going to follow that tape line. Yep. Whee! Just let that dry. I'm not good at letting it dry. Going back into that second shade, payback's a bitch. Why did I have so much trouble saying that? I don't know. And we're just gonna go right underneath. Here we go. And back into almond. I kind of want to put a little bit of gold on the inner corner. What's happening here? Should we do it? Of course we should do it. I haven't used this color before. Let's go into Martini Mama. There's a lot of mamas in this. It looks pretty pinky. Ah, well. Let's just do it. Just a little bit. I don't know if you can even really see that, but it's there. Yeah. Now I'm just going to put some mascara on the lower lids, and then we'll have a little chat, as per usual. But here are the finished eyes, besides the mascara. You guys see in the movie what to expect when you're expecting? Because I'm 20 weeks pregnant, and everything's been great. Two of my girlfriends are pregnant at the same time, and they're both hating their lives. Well, we're both, all of us. One's due a week after me, and one's due a week before me. And the whole time they've been like, I'm so sick every day, blah, blah, blah. I'm that chick from the movie What to Expect When You're Expecting. The one that's like, no, I feel great. I'm good. Everything's great. My skin's great. Feeling okay. Throw up here and there, no big deal. Well, I'm hoping this is just a bad couple of days because things are changing. Things are changing, and I get it now. I miss being the fun pregnant one that's like, wee, what? I love everything. To throwing up, cranky, back hurting, no appetite, but I gotta eat, right? Gotta feed this little bean. I actually went to a nutritionist just to make sure that I'm eating the right amount and all that good stuff, and I have to be eating 2,300 calories a day. So typically, because I'm also an athlete, I usually eat about 1,000 to 1,200 a day, and I eat small amounts. I'm only 5'1". I'm a wee little girl, so I don't need to. I don't know. I can't eat a big meal. I don't know what I'm saying, but Holy shizen. That's a lot of food for me, and that's hard. I realize how stupid all of this sounds. But anyway, I'm feeling the pregnancy these days. Let's talk about the palette, because what was that? I don't even know. Again, I only used the palette once, and that was today. And I really like it so far. I'm excited to go into some of the cranberry colors. Again, they just blended okay, not horribly, not crazily amazing. So I did get this one for Christmas because I asked Santa for it. But I also asked Santa for another Kylie one because this one, boop boop, You're So Money Baby, caught my eye a while ago. Oh, yeah, and I'm starting to get heartburn too, which I never had before. I just took some Tums, but something's going on. I love my life. So, I have swatched some of the colors in here, but not played with them yet. Typically, I'm not a huge green fan, but these ones look pretty. I don't know, what do you guys think? What would you like to see me use on the next one? Which will be You're So Money, Baby. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble on about I'm not even sure. It's supper time, so I'm going to go. If you feel like subscribing, you know, I don't know why you would not want to. I'm going to go. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, and I will talk to you on the next one. Bye! Bougie! Bougie!